Good day everyone, how you all going? Got this one red, two red birds here and the other one here, which is the eastern rosella. Just flying around trying to... There is 3 bird feeders. Go away Mozzie, there's a Mozzie here. Just got back from my walk. Yeah, no, you can't win, can it? Oh, they're chasing that one. Oh, wow. That's an aggressive little bird, that one. It's trying to take over too. There's plenty of bird seed, would you believe? I don't have to be so aggressive. Share. That one is determined, ain't it? Oh, I'm happy I'm getting this shot in. Try to move away from the overclosed light. Oh, here comes his buddy. So now I've got female and male there. See, one's got the duller chest. Was that a younger one? Or was that the female? Look, there is 3 bird feeders there. There's enough to eat. So there's enough to eat for everybody. See? Doesn't want to like that really colourful red one to eat. I'm missing these red and blue ones. I love seeing them when they're here. Oh, I wonder. Oh, now the pigeon's getting involved. These pigeons have a unique way of defending themselves. They flick the wings up. They freeze and they flick the wings up to make themselves bigger. Yeah, is that the female? Yeah. This is a duller one. Just looks old. Let's see if this... Oh, they're quieting down now. Huh. Everyone doesn't know what to do now. Oh well. You will take it easy, everyone. Have a great day. Thank you for watching. I was hoping for these pigeons to flick up its wing. Let's see what this red one does. Come on. Jump down. You know you want to. Go on. Go on, jump down. Let's see how the wing goes up. Let's make itself bigger. The other one doesn't know what to do with that. I do that all the... Oh, wow. I gotta watch this all day, but I've got things to do. The other one just pushes the other one out of the way. They barge each other out of the way or they flick the wing up. Oh, well, you'll take it easy. Everyone have a great day. Thank you for watching. Yeah, this can be fun to watch for a while. Oh, look at them all. Ah, beautiful. Yeah, there's a pecking order. See, they're not worried about the pigeon. They're only worried about the red one, which is kind of strange. Take it easy, everyone.